Hello students, today the question is from class 9th, linear equations in two variables. 35% of employees in a factory are females and others are males. Form an equation and draw the graph showing the number of males and females. Then, by reading the graph, we have to find the number of females if the males are 26 and the number of males if the females are 21. So let us first form the equation of the given situation. Firstly, the percentage of females is given 35%. Therefore, the percentage of males would be equals to 100% minus 35%. That will be 65%. Now, let the number of female employees be equals to X and number of males is equals to Y. Also, the total number of employees would be equals to X plus Y. Therefore, by the concept of percentage, we can say 35% of X plus Y is equals to X. That can be written as 35 upon 100 into X plus Y is equals to X. Also, 65% of X plus Y is equals to Y, the number of males, and therefore it can be written as 65 upon 100 into X plus Y is equals to Y. Consider this to be equation 1 and this equation 2. Divide 1 by 2. We will have 35 upon 100 into X plus Y divided by 65 upon 100 into X plus Y, which is equals to X upon Y. As we know, while dividing the equations, the left hand side will be divided by the left hand side of the second equation and the right hand side is divided by the right hand side of the second equation. So here we are having the situation, cancel whatever is getting cancelled. Now this can be written as 35 upon 65 equals to X upon Y. Also, after cancelling, we have 7 upon 13 equals to X upon Y. Over cross multiplication, we are getting 7Y equals to 13X, or in standard form we can write it as 13X minus 7Y equals to 0. This is our equation which we will be using further for plotting the graph. Let us rewrite the equation. Say X is equals to 7Y upon 13. Now let us make the table for making the graph. Let us write the values of X and Y according to this equation. So when X is equal to 0 or Y is equal to 0, X will also be 0. When Y is equal to 13, if I consider Y equals to 13, X will be 7. Similarly, if I consider Y equals to 26, X will be 14. Three values are sufficient for plotting the graph. I'll take one more. So if I take y equals to 39, all the numbers I will consider as the value of y, which can be cancelled by 13 in order to have a whole number for convenience in plotting the graph. So x is equals to 21. These are the values I am getting. Let us now plot the graph considering number of males on the y-axis and number of females on the x-axis. Taking the scale as 2 units, per 2 units we are choosing 7 females on x-axis and 2 units we will be considering on the y-axis equals to 13 males. Now let us plot the points as shown in the table above. Now the points here 7, 13, 0, 0 will be here, then 7, 13 having here, the next one is 14, 26, then 21, 39. Join these points. The red line here is showing the graph for the situation. Now we will label the graph. On the x-axis we are representing number of females, and on the y-axis we are representing number of males. Also, the graph part is done as the question asked us to find out the number of females and males at a particular given number for the males and females. We will be finding that. So according to question, we need to find first of all number of females if number of males are 26. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to represent it on graph. Now looking for the number of males, 26 on the y-axis. Here we will be drawing a line parallel to x-axis like this till it touches the graph line. Also, we will be drawing another line from this point such that it is parallel to y-axis. After drawing this line, it is intersecting the x-axis at 14. Therefore, the number of females will be 14. So, this is our answer for the first part. For the second part, we have to consider the number of females to be 21. So, the same process will be followed. Now, this time we will be moving from x-axis at 21 to the graph line, drawing a line which is parallel to y-axis, and wherever it is touching the graph line, we will be considering a line parallel to x-axis this way, touching the y-axis, and it is touching the y-axis at 39. So therefore 39 is our answer for the second part.